Welcome back to my channel, y'all. These are going to be a series of photos of the progression of this ficus salicaria from cutting to a decently attractive Shohin bonsai tree. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos. I appreciate it, guys. So this was a cutting off of another willow leaf ficus tree, or ficus salicaria. I started rooting it on October of 2021, and to be honest, it was probably not the best time to propagate. We also had a pretty cold winter. There weren't a great amount of roots, but it was alright. I double potted the cutting to allow roots to grow down into the second pot to help it grow a little bit faster. I didn't put it into a single large pot because I didn't want the roots to develop into large bulbous roots, which is something this species of ficus has the tendency to do. This photo is from June 2023. I had it prepared for a local bonsai club show as one of the trees I entered. I did ended up potting it into a somewhat larger pot and left it alone for about half a year. Because of the neglect, you can see that it grew a thick root like a taproot, which was something I really wanted to avoid from the beginning. I may remove it to allow smaller, finer roots to grow from the same spot to improve the nabari. I'm not sure yet. So this is where the tree is at right now. We went from this cutting to this. I think it is a decent progress for about 3 years of work, and hopefully with time it will look even better. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, and I will see you again in the next video.